Hey my loves, I'm back this week to introduce this cute little series wherein I'm honoring my favorite season of spring with some creative flower styles. I've been loving seeing flowers and the sun bounce back out, and you know I love showing you neat and affordable ways to be creative with your hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I have my array of flowers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and Michael's for a total of about $20. The white flowers caught my eye first because it's wedding season, and then I chose the little purple and green eucalyptus type to add a soft and regal touch of color to the look. I knew I wanted this to be a ponytail, and if you follow my channel, then you've seen this ponytail before. It's a super versatile piece, and the ridges that create the puffs are perfect for sticking the stems into, so that's what I decided to do. The process is simple. You just want to take some black or neutral tone scrunchies and tie them around one or two of the puff sections to create a sort of clamp for the flowers to stay secure. Since the top loop will be fastened to your real hair, you want to start at least the second or third section. I wanted my flowers to be layered, so I chose the second and third puff. You may want to tie your ponytail holder around a couple of times to ensure they're tight enough to keep your flowers in place. You'll then want to lay out your flowers the way you like them to look. And then you just stick them in one at a time under the ponytail holders and into your puffs. You want to try to be as neat as possible so that your puffs don't become too puffy and unruly. This is even reversible, as you can't see the stems on the other side of the ponytail due to how thick the hair is. Have the faux flower ponytail how you like it. You'll then want to use a million hairpins to fasten the top loop to your real ponytail. And I just did a simple 3-braided ponytail. And then your photo shoot ready. This is how it came out, and I had a blast just making this come to life and being creative. I wanted to try and get this up on early Easter morning as a sweet idea for today, but life happened. There's still plenty of spring left though, so this is still a wonderful idea to try at any age, and it's super accessible. I can't wait to get started on the next flower look and show you guys what I came up with. So try this out and let me know if you do, and stay tuned.